Hello, Stamping Staycationers. Isn't that a great sounding name? I'm glad that we have started calling ourselves that. We love having a stamping staycation. Welcome to our group. Today I have this video to share with you, showing you around our Facebook group page and hopefully answer some of those burning questions that you might have about it. So this will be the screen that you see when you first come into the page. This is where you will enter the URL for it. It's called a URL, but most of you have got it, are already there. But if you forget, this is what you type in at the top of your search bar. And throughout the day, if you're having trouble locating anything, we always suggest that you hit this reload this page button. This is a PC computer that I'm on, so it might be a little different if yours is not. But so if you hit that, you'll notice the screen disappears and then comes back. And that means it's been refreshed. So you'll hear us say, remember to refresh your screen. You'll see when we're on. So I'll just walk through a few of the headings and whatever and what you'll find in them. So we're in this group. Under discussion is where you'll find all of our posts that we're putting for you to do the challenges, as you saw here, to read about us, as you saw here. Just lots of good information we're sharing already with you. So that is under discussion, and it's not in the order that it's entered. So if you think that you should find this under this, that doesn't necessarily happen. Most of the time, it depends on what's been commented or messaged or whatever. So under featured, you will find things that we have posted to the top. We used to call it pinned, but now Facebook has changed it and it is called featured. So at the moment we have the welcome slide here, and in the future we will have some other ones that we want to draw your attention to, like probably the schedule when we get that posted. Under topics, you will see the hashtags for Case the Caddy challenges, the team member bio, how to find us. As we do posts, we will also summarize them there, so it's a shortcut for you. If you hit on this Case the Caddy challenge, it will take you to everything to do with Case the Caddy. So it's just kind of a shortcut to get to those places. So again, when you're back at the main menu, under members is a list of the members that have joined so far. We have more that have actually paid, they just haven't got over here to the Facebook group, and we've always got room for more. So if you have friends that are interested in joining us, just be sure and let us know, let them know the registration, and we'd love to have them. Under media, you will see the pictures, the photos that have been posted already. And once we do our live videos, Facebook Lives in here on the 7th, you will see them under videos. So a shortcut for that. Under files, you find the PDFs. We have the challenge ones that are already done, another one coming soon, and how to navigate. This is the printed document covering basically what I'm covering in this video. So having said that, just a couple other things that are helpful. When you're in here, if you look right here at this joined icon, the down arrow will take you to manage notifications. And if you go into here and set it to all, you will get all the notifications on everything that we post. So all posts, every post in the group, you will be notified of. So that's what I would suggest. When you start with the group, it's probably under highlights, just so you're aware. Following that, I would like to show you where to post if you're going to take part in these challenges, or if you want to share a card that is similar but not, you don't think it meets the challenge, that's okay, just share it with us. When you come down to the bottom of that post, you will see a like and a comment. So hit your comment, it'll take you to the next available place to type, and you can type, this is a test kind of thing. And then if you go to where the camera is here on the right, attach a photo or video and click on that, that will give you a link to go and attach your video, or not your video, your picture that you have taken of that card. I don't imagine you're doing a video. So anyway, because it said photo or video, that confused me. And then when you hit enter, it will be posted there. So quite easy to do once you know where to look for that. A couple other things, the time for our presentations. On Saturday, we will be doing them in this group. Every hour on the hour, we have 6 presentations we will be giving you. And that will start at 9 o'clock. So we'll have 9, 10, 11, and then we'll have 1, 2, and 3. And at 12:15, Lillian will be doing the secret stamping. And that is something that we will share prior to the list of supplies you need. And you can stamp along with her at that time and create something right there on the Saturday afternoon. And we will also be posting a schedule of the times like that, so that you're aware of that beforehand. And if you need to come back, you need to leave, come back, that is all fine as well. The other thing is that our group is diversified. We have, out of these members, we have some who've never joined us before. We have some who've been here all the time. We have some demos. We have some that are not demos. And we just want everyone to know that they're welcome. And we love having you here and sharing with us. We're here to inspire you for the day and for many days afterwards, hopefully. We love sharing this kind of thing with you, but we ask that there be no solicitation. We do not, the 3 of us who are Stampin' Up! Demonstrators, we do not ask for orders or anything during this presentation either. So it's just a fun day to get together and be creative together. And on that note as well, as far as the comments that you see like this, don't feel bad if we don't comment on yours. We can't comment on everybody's. And part of the reason, besides time-wise, is the fact that Facebook does not like us commenting on everything, because they feel that we're spamming people if we do that. And they do put people in what we call Facebook jail, which kind of knocks you off the system for a week or more. And because the 3 of us, Joanne, Lillian, and I, all have businesses we run as part of Facebook, using Facebook for part of it, we would rather not be in Facebook jail, because we have to keep going because we enjoy doing this so much. So hopefully those have answered some of your questions. And if you have any more, you know how to reach us. We are available to help you through this, and have a great day. So we're looking forward to spending the time with you. Take care now, and we'll see you on May 7th, if not before.